In ML projects, the data quality is never 100%, and it doesn't need to. But still, a lot of data analysis methods can't handle missing values and only use complete cases. This can be a problem because even if only 2% of values are missing in 20 columns, you could theoretically lose up to a third of your data. Sounds bad, right? That's where imputation comes into play. It's about replacing missing data with reasonable substitute values. Here are 5 strategies. Using subject matter knowledge, an expert might choose a value that makes sense in the context of the specific dataset. You could also look for a similar randomly selected record and receive a meaningful value from there. This is called Hotdag. Or maybe you create a new class for the missing values to see if there's any connection between the missingness and the variable you're trying to predict. There are also statistical ways of dealing with missing values like mean substitution. It looks at all the complete entries or at certain categories or clusters and uses the respective mean, median, or mode for the imputation. Regression, on the other hand, is trying to predict the imputation value based on other parameters. This is fancy because it basically uses ML itself. Weird, isn't it? To now find the right strategy though, for each variable you need to consider mainly 3 things. Type of the variable, how much of it is missing, and a subject matter at hand. I will talk more about the specific up and downsides for each method in upcoming videos. Till then, have a nice day. Cheers.